he was just hitting it at the joint, and he was just giving it a bit of a wobble, but it's not going yet. Fucking hell. I don't know why he's taking them off, I don't know. Because obviously what he does, he just takes them top bits off and then just breaks them out. Just let them break, don't they? So I can't see how they're salvaging. Don't know. I don't get what they don't know. I don't get what he's trying to do. But yeah, hopefully they'll start knocking some more of it down later on this afternoon. But I don't know. Might do. But then he's just drilling. But obviously you can hear it. Obviously he's just drilling it at the moment. So that's quite thick concrete. So obviously that building was well made. Obviously. There he goes, wobbling it. It's going. Oh yeah, here we go. Cool, yeah. Both of them are going. He's got to be careful because obviously there's asbestos in them chimneys, as I found out yesterday. Go on, just pull it off. Oh, looks like he's saving that bit because he's took it off and put it in his cherry picker. Oh, maybe that's the bit maybe that's the parts they're trying to save. So, but then I don't know why he's smashed all the other ones. That's the only bit. That's the only bit I've seen him save. So obviously that bit is obviously worth some money then. Fucking hell.